Hello and good day, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about your evenings. First, what time do you usually have dinner in the evening? I usually have dinner at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. For example, I usually have dinner at 7 o'clock with my family. Second, who do you usually have dinner with? I usually have dinner with my family, my friends, my grandparents. For example, I usually have dinner with my family. I sometimes have dinner with my grandparents. Third, what do you often do after dinner? After dinner, I usually watch TV, do my homework, read books, play games, chat with my family. For example, after dinner, I usually do my homework. After dinner, I usually watch TV with my parents. Fourth, do you like studying in the evening? Why or why not? Yes, I do because. No, I don't because. For example, yes, I do because it is quiet and I can concentrate. No, I don't because I feel tired in the evening. Fifth, what is your favorite evening activity? My favorite evening activity is reading books, playing games, watching TV, talking with my family because, for example, my favorite evening activity is reading books because it helps me relax. My favorite evening activity is watching TV because it's fun. Last, what time do you usually go to bed? I usually go to bed at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. For example, I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock. I usually go to bed at 11 o'clock because I have a lot of homework. So that is all for our evening. Thank you.